Usama mensan enda wasise uguso Adom TV. Emra so agudie mo nsem na nwumre nso gibrena mendoma sukone yemfa nkomo nso emfa mawo. Na hyene so se na wotwe awieye na Ghana Premier League no efe dikan no empenifo ede eba na wie na se week 17 na yewremu yenya ne ntie se yewie ya no yede dia kanso toa so ba yenhwe matches ahodo a weekend eno so ebetime akoso na chese ende urama Kumase Asante Kotoko ehwenim se omne Vision FC ene de bepem so eno achi no na se FC Samates omne House of Folk enso de beboani na Insuatraman FC ene Karela United ene bebo Baseke Holy Stars omne Aduana Stars Accra Lions Asia bebiani Go Stars Brekum Chelsea ene Mediama FC Heart of Lions na se Okuma Kese omne Nations FC ene de bepem so Young Apostles ene Bechem United na fe Legon Cities and so any Dreams FC omonso etime ede aboani yana wahye so amame se esan se yebo ni nyina na wotwe awie enti no empenifo de atodwa se yebebo ni nia no no miensa bremo ene de akansi ahodo no so yebetime ede ahyehye so eno ena sabre ururamu awo Vision FC asoya ya coach a okita team no na Najiman openi no eche se obedi obeye biada se be ya 3 points no obo against Kotoko no Obeje Free Prosper Nate Ogumunsem.
The team that is complacent is going to lose this game. I mean, Vision, we have nothing to lose. It's Kotoko. If you lose against Kotoko, everybody will say, oh, okay, it's okay. You just lost against Kotoko. But if Kotoko loses against Vision, it's a huge news. So, of course, we are underdogs. We are coming in with what we know, what we have, with every ammunition that we've got to try to take 3 points. If Kotoko underrates Vision, they do that at their own peril. But of course, Vision, we are prepared, we are ready for this. Playing at the Baraya Sports Stadium as well. That is also another great thing for me and my boys. I think that being there, the fans being around and playing against Kotoko, it's a huge motivation. I hope that Kotoko also finds something to motivate them, because for us, playing against them.
And someone Najiman Vision FC coach and I'll say wadin chiremu to Jano na wakwachire se akwese dwamfunu no da form da enti Kotoko hye no a enye news na mum ono hye Kotoko a ene be news abusa yenyina so na yemfa enkomo no ensi ewa hanom within the Cobblestone okomankra bako amaka ensuroja adura enwono numero 1 sheshe